framework. Okay, this Django framework we need to learn in this session, guys. Why this is we are learning? So I will take care. Just wait. Okay, and also for our application related presentation logics, if we want to developing, then these all things required to learn. Okay, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, these all things. So along with these things, guys, Angular JS, Angular there, and React JS there, guys. Okay, Angular course and React course there. Those are separate courses. So if you want to learn those courses, you need to learn about these all things. UI technologies related, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, like these things. Okay, na? So plan those things. So real time people are using those things only, guys. Okay. So yeah. So this is about the full stack development. Full stack development. So today our session we are starting for only Django framework, guys. Not for Python. Okay, not for separate UI technologies, not for separate database. Okay. So we are starting for Django framework. When we are learning about this Django framework, so in this framework only we are learning the database related and UI technologies also together we are learning, guys. Okay, so why means in the real time any application you can take, so all the applications required presentation logics, business logics, database logics, guys. Okay, so presentation logics, if we want to be developing, then UI technology is required. Okay, and business logics, if we want to developing, then any one language and language related framework required. Okay, database logics, if you want to be developing, then database knowledge required, guys. Clear that? So just assumption here, this is the front end related, and this is the back end related, and this is the DB related, guys. DB related. So DB related database, database logics purpose, we are going to learn about the MySQL, guys. MySQL or else MongoDB, guys. MongoDB. Okay. So the people who are working here, we are calling them DB developer, guys. DB developer. Simply DB developer we are calling. And business logics of our application, guys. Business logics of our application. Okay. Who is developing? Business logics of our application, who is developing, then we can call them as a backend developer. We can call them as backend developer. Okay, na? Yes, guys. So here using Django or Flask framework, we can developing the business logics of our application, guys. Okay. So here we can call them as backend backend developer, backend developer, guys. And next, presentation logics of our application, guys. Presentation logics, presentation logics of our application. If we want to be developing, then HTML, CSS, JS, JavaScript, these all things required, guys. Okay. So here we are calling front end developer, guys. Front end developer, guys. Okay. So in the real time companies, guys, only some people working in this side, guys, front end development, and some people only working in this side, back end developers we are calling, and some people only working in this side, guys, DB developers we are calling. So some people are responsible to work on all these three areas, guys. Some people are responsible to work on all these three areas. And so single person can act like front-end developer, can act like back-end developer, can acting like DB developer also. Okay. So then those developers we are calling them as a full stack developer, guys. Okay. So the person who is responsible to work on presentation logics of our application, to work on backend logic of our application, to work on DB logics of our application. We can call them as a full stack developer. Full stack developer, guys. Full stack developer. So if you are becoming like a full stack developer, then more interview opportunities there, and more job opportunities also there, guys. Real-time companies also focusing on full stack developer only. Okay, they will hire you more and more full stack developer. The person who is becoming like a full stack developer, then companies also hiring. Companies also hiring. Okay, and also more packages you are getting as more packages salaries wise, more packages also you can demand and more secured your job, guys. Why means so right now, backend development with Django and Flask. So suddenly in your company, backend development completing and no new project there to work with Django and Flask. No new projects there. Then immediately you can work on the Java project using this presentation logic, okay, or else with this database logics. Okay, these presentation logics and database logics are common for Java development related or Python development related or .NET development related, like any language. Okay, only business logics only changing as a backend logics only changing. Front end and DB related logics are same for all web applications. Got it? So that's why you can easily move to the Java related application, .NET related applications. Okay. So then obviously your job is getting more secured. Clear? Okay. So here, guys, already we discussed about this Python language related. So now we are going to be focusing on these things: framework, Django framework, database related, and UI technologies related. All together, we will discuss in this course, guys. Okay. So why Django is required? Why Django is required? So that is we will discuss right now. So Django, why required to learn means, if we want to developing web applications, guys, if we want to developing the web applications, then we can choose this Django framework, guys. After learning the Python language, if you want to be developing the web applications like Amazon, Swiggy, Zomato, YouTube, these all are web applications. Then Python with Django framework required, guys. So starting days only we discussed, guys. Python is a general purpose programming language. Python is a general purpose programming language, guys. After learning Python, then n number of courses we can learn. Okay, n number of courses. So people can go with data science. Okay, data science related, artificial intelligence related, machine learning related, deep learning related, Django framework, nothing but web development related. Okay, scientific applications related, networking related applications we can design using the Python language. Okay, so out of those all, guys, so one is web applications, guys, or web development. Web development. If we want to do the web development related applications, then here Django framework we need to learn, guys. After learning Python, so if you are choosing the career for developing web applications, then 100% you need to learn the Django framework. Okay, along with the Python language, guys. So Django is a framework. Django is a framework which is purely designed by Python language only, guys. Django is a framework which is purely designed by Python language only. Okay, so that's why Django is a Python uh, framework, guys. We can also call it Python framework. And this framework contains hundreds of classes and methods together, guys. Framework contains architecture, hundreds of predefined classes, methods. By using those all things, we can developing the applications more easily. So later we will discuss Django architecture. Okay, according to architecture only regularly we are going to developing the applications. Don't worry, I'll take care of that. Clear, guys? Yes. So here, why Django we are learning? Why not a Flask framework? If you are getting that doubt, so first of all, in industry, guys, 90%, 90% of the projects, guys, 90% of the projects developing by using the Django framework only. I'm talking about Python related, not Java, .NET guys. So if you are learning Python language and along with Python, next people are focusing on the Django framework. Company people focusing on Python with Django who are available, then they are ready to hiring guys. Who are available, then they are ready to hiring. Okay, na? So 90% of the projects in real time Python related projects along with the Django designing guys. For developing the web applications. Only 10% of the project guys, 10% of the projects using the Flask framework designing, using the Flask framework. So that's why nowadays all the students giving a high priority to this Django framework. High priority to this Django framework. Okay, after learning Django, then more interview calls we are getting. That's why first learning the Django. And later, if you are having the free time, then you can focus on the Flask framework also. And you can add in your resume as your skills, Django, Flask, all the things. Python, Django, Flask, like. Okay, na? Yes, guys. So using Flask, using Django, both we can developing the web development, guys. Okay, don't worry. So forget about right now here Flask. So we will focus about the Django framework. Okay, so this is a third party module, guys. Django is a third party module. How we are installing that module, how we can use that module. In that module, what are the sub packages are there? Using each package, what is the benefit? These all things slowly we will discuss. Okay, so right now I'm not going to discussing about the history about the Django or installation about the Django. So first of all, I want to give you overview about the full stack development related. Okay, and now I want to give some more points about the Django. Why required to choose Python with Django? Clear up to this, all the people? Okay. So next, guys, along with Python, along with Python language. So if you are choosing Django framework, if you are choosing Django framework, so web development, guys, web applications, we can web applications we can develop web applications we can develop more easily, guys, more easily. Why means so here ready-made architecture there and a lot of predefined functionalities providing by Django framework. Using those all functionalities we can design. For example, guys, any one website you can take it, any one website. For example, I will open one small website here. Okay, here you can take it, guys. So registration there, guys. Registration there. So username, email, password, confirmation password you are going to be entering, and then later login later, guys. After registration, you can do the login, guys. So at the time of doing the login, if you are giving invalid credentials, then invalid username, password like that showing, and you can do the forgot password related information also, guys. Forgot password related activities also you can do. Update password related activities also we can do. Reset password, guys. Update nothing but reset the password. And after login, guys, after login, which pages we can able to see these all things. So in this application I designed, guys. So first of all here people can do the registration related. After registration people can do the login. After login these two things hiding, and later here displaying logout button, profile button. After login people can do logout, and the people can see the profile, people can update the profile information. So these all functionalities required for almost all projects, guys. Almost all for all projects required. Registrations, login, logout, profiles related, forgot passwords related. Okay, and change password related logics common for all the web applications. So these all things without writing logics by Django only we can get automatically. Okay, Django is providing for these all things predefined logics, guys. Just we can use them, we will get those benefits. It means a lot of time saving for us. Lot of time saving for us if we are using Django framework. Okay, So later I will show you guys this login, logout, profile related, registration related, all how we can use predefined functionalities without writing our own logics. And later how we can write our own logics also for login, logout, change passwords related, these all things. Right? Okay. So you can focus, guys, using the Django, Python with Django. So what kind of applications we are developing? Web applications, I told. Which web applications already designed? Why this Django is getting more popularity? So you can focus. So top 10 companies, you can take it, guys. Top 10 companies which are designed by Python with the Django. If you are focusing, so lot of toppest companies there, guys. Real time which we are using. For example, YouTube, guys. Every day, YouTube, all the people, almost all 90% of the people every day using YouTube, guys. The people who are using smart mobile or laptop with the internet, so definitely they are using the YouTube. Okay. So this YouTube designed by Django framework, guys. Python with Django. Okay. And the Instagram, guys, Instagram, so photos sharing, okay, in the Instagram, guys. Instagram also designed by Python with Django, guys. So previously they designed with PHP, guys. Later they moved to the Django because of its benefits. I'll take care about these all points. Just I'm giving some points. Instagram developed by Python with Django, and YouTube design, and browsers there, guys. Several browsers. Mozilla browser there, Mozilla. So Mozilla is designed by Python with Django framework, guys. Okay, and Spotify there, guys. Spotify there. So it's a music related app, guys. In that Spotify, all music related files there, music, movies related musics all available. So we can get freely, guys. Okay, and Bitbucket, GitHub, these all things also designed by Python with Django, guys. Python with Django. Okay, so uh, you can check it, guys, here. Top top 10 companies, top 10 companies, let's Django, top 10 companies you can choose. Okay, so these things, guys, these all things, Instagram, Dropbox, and Pinterest, and Bitbucket, Mozilla, Dispute, okay, YouTube, these all things are designed by this Python with Django, guys. Okay, I'll see here. See, these all companies, guys. These all companies using the Python with Django. These all applications designed by Python with Django, guys. So Instagram, most popular one. Okay, social media related. YouTube also most popular one, guys. Okay, na? So this is the Mozilla Firefox, YouTube, eBay. Okay, like Dispute. These all things are popular apps, guys, nowadays. So all are designed by this Python with Django, guys. Okay, so I'll give you some points, guys. This is just to overview only. So later onwards, in our session, live class code only, guys, I will develop. Okay, all the code in the class only I will develop, and each line why we are developing, I will explain. Okay, don't worry. So here you can see, guys, this is a one survey company, guys. So according to this company, so before May 2019, not 2023, guys. Before May 2019, 77 thousands of websites are built using Django, guys. Built by Django framework. Okay, na? So now 3 years completing, guys. After 2019, 20 completing, 21, 22, 3 years completed. So you can assumption, guys, how many applications designed by Django framework. Okay, so more than lakhs of applications, guys. More than lakhs of applications are designed by Django framework. Not much popularity there, guys. You know why Django is gaining so much popularity? Why Django is gaining so much popularity means because of it's a simple and easy structure. It's a simple and easy structure, and it's a scalability and it's a versatile behavior, guys. Scalability means using Django, low level applications, high level applications, medium level applications we can develop. Okay, na? So versatile means using Django, e-commerce related applications, okay, banking related applications, networking related applications, like we can design, guys. So that's why we are calling versatile. And moreover, important one, Django framework is designed purely by using Python language. So using Python, what are the benefits? We discussed already, guys. What are the benefits? We discussed already. So using Python, first of all, very less lines of code we are designing. Assumption. So I want to be print a hello message. So then using a print method, guys, hello, like we can display, guys. Okay, what is the use of print function? If we are learning, that's enough. Using print, we can print the messages on the console. That's it. But the same message using Python, using Java, guys, if you want to be designed, then here class followed by the class name, guys, and followed by the curly brace, and next public static void main. Okay, public static void main, and now here string, guys, and a list of args, and then list of args, and then curly brace you can start, and here sysout required, system dot out dot print ln of hello, and semicolon also required, and then close this curly brace, and again close this curly brace, guys. Okay, so these all things we require to write in Java, guys. So this is the message we are printing. Okay, so here class having meaning, class name having rules, public having meaning. Here public we can write, private we can write, protect we can write. So here also several things we can write, guys. Okay, so where each one having its own meaning. So using this println function, we can print the hello message. Okay, after learning about these all things, then we are able to write the basic code, guys. So it is making more burden on the developers. More burden on the students also, guys. That's why a lot of people are not interesting to learn this Java related language, guys. Okay, Java language and its framework. Okay, see, guys, here in our Python, very less lines of code, only one line we created. So here many lines of code we created. So Python is more simple to understand. Java is more complex to understand, guys. Easy to read, guys. Python, Java is not easy to read, and very less lines we are using, guys. In Python, more lines we are using in Java, guys. So within the less time we can design, guys, Python code. Within the less time we can design, so it takes more time for developing. Understanding? So like this, several differences there, guys, with the Python and the Java, when we are comparing. Now, this Django framework purely designed by Python language, I said. Okay. So when we are designing a real-time application using Java, for example, 1,000 lines code there, guys. The same project using the Python with the Django, if we are developing, so less than 500 lines code enough, guys. Less than 500 lines of code enough. It means lot of time saving. Within the less time, with less cost, we can design the best product, guys. Within the less time, with less cost, we can design the best product. Nothing but best applications. So simply improving the performance of the applications. These are achieving by the Django framework. That's why in the real-time companies also people are company owners are focusing on Python with Django for developing their applications. And already, guys, previously some applications are designed by Java development, okay, using Java technologies or using .NET technologies. Those applications also, when they are implementing new versions, completely changing to Django related, guys. Existing Java applications, .NET applications, people are changing to Django platform, guys. Why means, so if they are developing at least now using Django, in future maintenance cost reducing, guys. Okay, and also in the future more people will available uh, uh, related to Python with Django learners, guys. Okay, so that's why companies also focusing on Django development. Clear that? So these all are just theoretical points, guys. So why this Django framework is getting that much important? So if you want to be understanding, so it's like a story. If you are reading, you will understanding. Okay. So see here, this is the one app, guys. This use app. It's the largest project so far built on the Django framework. Using Django framework so far, building applications, so many building applications there, guys. So this Discuse is the largest one, guys. Okay. So here in this community, guys, every day nearly 500 million unique visitors every month using, guys, every month connecting 500 millions of users for this application. Okay, and 191 among the 191 countries, guys. So we have so many countries. So entire world, guys, every month 500 million of people, millions of people using this app. Okay, and in this, guys, number of articles there, guys, several articles there, multiple people will upload the multiple articles. So every month, guys, 17 million pages people are viewing, okay, visiting, guys. Got it? So that's why this application getting more demanding, guys. So every month 500 millions of users visiting means so performance must be required, guys. Performance more speed required. So using Django, performance related more and more increasing, guys, compared to the other frameworks. So that's why this company people giving high priority to this Django and design this application. Okay? So you can learn, guys, this entire para, you will understanding. YouTube, guys, it's a video sharing platform, guys. It's a video sharing platform. Okay? So initially, this YouTube application designed by PHP, guys. Initially, this YouTube application designed by PHP language. PHP is one language, guys. Okay, like C language, PHP is also one language. So using PHP, YouTube getting some problem, guys. So I means day by day, people are increasing. Okay, so YouTube increasing the everyday users, guys. So lot of people, hundreds of people giving hundreds of requests to the YouTube server to get the required videos. Okay, so loading problem came, guys, using the PHP. Okay, fast response not getting. So that's why this YouTube company people using Django instead of PHP. So that's why later getting best performance, guys. When we are searching for particular video, immediately we are getting that video response, guys. Okay, so that is possible by Django. Okay, so because of using the Django, guys, so quickly and flawlessly we are getting the response. You know, and Instagram application. So no need of introduction about this Instagram. Every day all the people are using, guys. Okay, so it's a very popular social media application. Same like Facebook. Okay, na? So it is a fastest growing photo and video sharing app, guys. So this one also designed by Python and Django, guys. Python and Django. Okay, why means here a ready to implement solution is available in Django. It allowed the Instagram team people focusing on UI related presentation, not back end related development. Okay, in Instagram, presentation also one of the important place, guys. Take caring of important place. So entire Instagram related people focusing on the UI development to attracting more and more to the people, guys. Okay, so no, they are not focusing on the backend development using Django. They are getting all the solutions because of it's ready to implement solutions. So this Instagram, guys, 95 million people, 90 every month, guys. So 95 million photos and 4.2 billion likes people are clicking guys. Okay, uploading using Instagram. So means lakhs of requests coming guys. So performance is must be important one. So this is also one of the app guys. Spotify. It's a music streaming related app. So in online, all kind of music's available. We can freely get, or we can buy the commercial account and we can get it guys. So this Django is more fast and machine learning related options also providing. So that's why this Spotify using the Django with Python guys. Okay. A bit bucket guys. Nowadays when we are designing our applications guys, in our local machine we are designing our code guys. So here server there guys, server there, we need to move into this server. So directly we are not moving into server guys. So somewhere repositories there guys. We are moving into this repository, we are getting from this repository guys code. So from this repository we are moving to the server guys. So this is a server guys, and this is what local machine, local local machine guys. So whatever the code we are designing in this local machine, this is we are moving to the repository. Okay, simply repository guys. From this repository we can move to the server location guys. If our application is available in the server location, installing in the server location, then that application can use by hundreds of people guys, in entire world. So here multiple people there, these all people can use our application. Okay, if it is available in our local machine, people cannot use this application, other people. So in this project, guys, three people working. For example, here one person, two people working assumption. So these two people interacting to this repository only. Okay, employee one sending their code to this repository. Employee two can use that code. Okay, this is the GitHub concept, guys. So coming days, I will take care this all. These all real time, very important. So I will take care, guys. GitHub communication. Okay, na? So here Bitbucket, GitHub, like several things there. So this Bitbucket app using Python with the Django designed guys. Okay. So see here 17 million requests guys. 17 million requests, 6 million repositories creating every year guys. Every year using Bitbucket or GitLab like something. Okay, and Dropbox also there, it is also one of the important app guys. Okay, so Dropbox is the most popular cloud based storage platform for documents, videos, pictures, graphics and so on guys. It is a cloud platform related application guys. Here we can store our personal documents, education related documents, or our personal videos or pictures or graphics, all we can load it, and later we can access from anywhere, from any device, more easily without loading again much more time guys. So why means this Dropbox also using Django framework. Okay, and who designed Python guys? Who designed Python? Guido van Rossum is the author of our Python language. So this Dropbox company hiring the Guido van Rossum also guys. Okay, this company people hired this Guido van Rossum. Under the guidance of this Guido van Rossum, this Dropbox application designing more and more. Okay. Mozilla guys, it's one of the popular browser. Most of the people are using Google Chrome browser and next Mozilla browser. Okay, so this Mozilla browser also guys, initially using PHP language and Cake PHP framework guys. PHP related framework Cake PHP. Okay, na? So here multiple frameworks there, Cake PHP, Vanilla PHP, like so many other guys. So PHP with the Cake PHP framework, they designed Mozilla browser guys initially. So day by day guys, entire world, in entire world people are using this Mozilla browser more and more guys. and in every second, lakhs of requests are sending using Mozilla browser. Okay, so initially using PHP and Cake PHP, they designed these all requests sending and getting responses. This Mozilla getting problem, guys. Okay, getting problem. That's why to overcoming those problems, later they change it to Python with Django from PHP to Cake PHP and Cake PHP, guys. Initially, they are using this one PHP plus Cake PHP framework. From this language to this language, they moved, and after that, this Mozilla browser got more popularity, guys. Okay, and also got more capable for handling the requests. Right? Yes, and Pinterest, guys. This is also one of the popular application. Okay, so it's a social media related, guys. Here also, 250 millions users are using, guys, this one every year. 250 million people using this app. Okay, so sometimes some applications are getting in some separate countries more popularity, guys. In our country, much more people not using, guys, this Pinterest. So in entire world, 250 millions of people using. Okay, and Washington Post, guys, it's a journalism related company, guys. Okay, so a lot of articles posting by this Washington. We have so many news channels, guys. We have so many news channels like BBC related, Times Now, okay, Varta, Hindu, okay, Sakshi, Enad, Andhra Jyoti, like several news channels related there. So this Washington Post also one of the popular newspaper publisher, guys. Okay, newspaper related company. So this one also using Python with the Django framework for everyday updating articles, guys, news information. So if you are opening in online, guys, if you are opening in online, if you are opening in online, okay, so every day the content updating, guys, news information updating, each second news information updating, guys. So these all things are done by Django framework. Okay, so this app, guys, every month 172 million people are visiting. 172 millions of people visiting this Washington Post newspaper. Okay, up to March 2019, guys. This is the survey. Okay, Event Bright, this is one more company, guys, and the National Geographic, this is one of the famous company, guys. Okay, so this National Geographic company also using this Django, guys, Django framework for developing their application. National Geographic company. So these are only some applications, guys, and lot of companies, guys, nowadays like Infosys, TCS, Wipro, IBM, like all MNC companies are using this Python with the Django framework and developing their web applications for their client purpose, guys, for their client purpose. Got it? So that's why you can learn this Django framework after the Python, guys. Then no problem. You will get lot of opportunities for your career, guys. Hundreds of interviews you are getting. Easily you can crack, guys, interviews. So same like Python, guys. For this Django also. So 45 days time I will take, and every day different topics we are discussing, and the topic related uh, programs we are doing practice, guys, using real-time IDs like PyCharm or Visual Code Studio. So in our session, guys, live code only, guys. Okay, so live code we will do, and materials, guys. Materials will share, guys. Materials sharing, and programs also, guys. Programs also sharing. In everyday topic wise we are doing the small projects. Those projects I will share to you for your reference, and you need to do the practice, guys, without postponing. Then you will get practically knowledge, guys. And when you are doing the practice, if you are getting some errors, so you can cross check it with my projects, with my programs. then you will understanding where you done mistake like that. Okay. And also guys, for this batch, creating the WhatsApp group, when you are doing the practice, so your errors you can post in that group. Myself, I'll give you guidelines where you done mistake like that, and also your friends also there available in this group. So sometimes they also will give you solutions. Okay, na? For example, student one got problem, student two knows solution, then they will give information. Like if you are exchanging the knowledge, guys, okay, each one, then only you will increase your capability, guys, capacity. Clear? So after learning these all topics, guys, end of the days, so projects also we are going to do, guys. Many projects also we are going to do. So one, two projects, if you are doing like that, guys, so by putting experience, by putting 3+ experience also, guys, 3 or 4, so you can crack the interviews and you can handle also in the companies. So previously, my students, guys, hundreds of students got jobs in several MNC companies, guys, as well as normal companies also. So by putting experience, 3 or 4+ years also, they got jobs with huge packages, guys, 15 lakhs package. Okay, so nearly 20 lakhs package by putting 4 years of experience, guys. So most of the people, 10 to 15 lakhs they got, guys. 10 to 15 lakhs they got. So many people they called me, sir, I got offer in so and so company with so and so package like that. Okay. So I'm telling guys, every day you need to do practice. That is my request. So every day I'm teaching a concept and you need to do the practice. Then only next session you will understanding more easily. Okay, na? Yes. So in this guys, in this Django course, in this Django course, so along with the Django framework, REST API also we are going to be discussing guys. REST API, REST API. So what is the REST stands for? What is API stands for? What is the use of this REST? You will understanding. So just I will show you some images. Just can see here in this full stack development guys, like these applications we are going to be designing. Okay, so front end development using these all UI technologies we are developing, back end development using any one language and its framework, DB development guys, okay, using MySQL or MongoDB, like we can develop it. So normal users guys, via this front end, they are giving some input, this input sending to back end, this back end checking for the data in the database, getting back response. Then user can see the data. Okay. So these all communications, how we can do. Users, how interacting to this database, how they are getting their data. So that is I will take care using front end with back end. In our sessions only, in our Django course only, these all 3 sessions communications, front end, back end, DB related, all together communications how we are doing. So I will take care. I will take care. So front end directly not communicating to DB guys. This one directly not communicating to DB via the back end communicating. This back end logics using any language like Java, Python, .NET and its frameworks guys. Okay, using those things they are doing the logics. They are communicating. Okay, na? So if you are taking this one YouTube related guys, YouTube related, so user guys, in this search box, for example, this is a search box assumption, or else it is a search box, anyone guys, so they are entering one movie information guys, one movie name they are entering. Here they are entering one movie name. So here when we are opening the YouTube guys, lot of movies are opening, okay, and displaying on the screen. This is the front end guys. Okay, in this website, in this browser, what we are able to see, those all things using the UI technologies people are developing. Okay, so using this front end, people can give some input. Here something movie name entering. Okay, so that movie is available or not, checking here. If not available, then getting from database guys. In this database, hundreds of movies available guys, Tollywood, Bollywood, Hollywood, like hundreds of movies are okay, serials, a lot of things available education related videos, all the things. So whatever we are searching in this browser, guys, so that is taking by backend development. Taking by backend development using Python with Django, we are developing the business logics. So this backend sending that request to the database. So here using database logics, we can search for that particular movie. Out of all the movies, somewhere our movie is available. So finding that movie, getting that movie, okay, and displaying here, guys. Then user can watch that movie. Got it? So any application, if you are taking, guys, like this, communicating together, guys. So in this area, who is working, then we can call them as full front-end developer, guys. We can call them as front-end developer. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Hmm. So we can call this person front-end developer who is working with this Python with Django. We can call back-end developer who is working in this DB related database developer. We are calling. So who is responsible to work on these all areas? We can call them as full stack developer, guys. Full stack developer. Got it? So these things comes under front-end related, guys. Using our HTML, CSS. So whatever the presentation we want, we can design, guys. Screens. Got it? Yeah. So and using the Bootstrap, all the things. So laptop related applications, the desktop related, tabs related, mobile related applications we can design. One application only we are designing. Responsive design we are getting, guys. Responsive design means based on the device, guys. Based on the device size, screen size, automatically this application presentation changing. So for example, in desktop it looks like this way, in mobile it looks like this way, guys. Okay, so here horizontally displaying all the columns, here vertically displaying because of the mobile size, guys. So one application only we are designing. So depending on the devices, guys, like laptop, desktop, tabs, mobile, it will change automatically. This is called responsive design using Bootstrap. How we are designing the responsive applications. These all things I will take care, guys. I will take care. Clear that? Okay. In our session, guys, multiple applications we can design. So, for example, like that, and this is also one application. So here, something student information I'm maintaining, guys. Student name, marks, address, mobile related, all information I'm maintaining in the database. So this is a UI, guys. This is a UI. I told here already diagram. Okay. So here some some images, yes, here. So using this, guys, using this we designed this front end, guys. Front end. Now user using this front end giving some input, guys. For example, they want to update this last record, sixth record. Simply they can click update button. Whenever clicking, guys, so from here, from this front end, that request passing to this backend. Now this backend passing to this database. So here multiple records there. Now only that particular record, whatever the ID we are sending, that record data getting back and displaying here for updating purpose. Okay. So now here 80 marks I'm changing to 85. HYD I'm changing to Hyderabad, guys. Hyderabad. And then you can click update button. Now sending uh, this data sending, guys, again to the backend. Now backend sending to DB. Now here storing permanently. After storing, again getting back and displaying in this front end, guys. So that's why now you can see 85 marks Hyderabad. Both are updated. After updating, again getting back and displaying on the screen. Okay. So normal users, guys, they are interested to use this presentation, nothing but GUI menus, updating, deleting, creating, like all the things. So they are not focusing on backend, what is happening, how it is happening, how it is updating, how it is creating. This all knowledge not required for users. Users require GUI communication. Just they want to click update button, they want to do update. They want to click delete button, they want to do delete his. Are you sure you want to delete this Raju object? No, I don't want. Again, getting back. Okay, if I want to delete, then yes, I want to delete. Deleting that record, remaining records displaying here. Okay, na? So here the resume uploaded there. You can enter guys your name. See here your date of birth. So whenever I'm clicking here, see calendar displayed. Okay. For this in Python, we have a calendar module guys. Calendar module. Calendar module. In previous session only guys, I explained about the calendar module. Understanding? And here some UI presentation we designed guys. So now you can choose whatever the date you want. So just for example, I'm choosing like this. Okay, see automatically you're getting time, month, date, year. I want the first date, next month. Then you can change your logics. No problem. So here these are the radio buttons. Okay, locality. Okay, you are belongs to which locality, which city. See here automatically we are getting some ready-made names. If we don't want to display these names, we can controlling using UI coding. So your pin code guys, and your states. See here, so states, a lot of states in India, several states there, all list of states displayed. Okay, so by default, this initial value dot hyphen like something blank lines I used guys. So if you want, you can choose any one, Andhra Pradesh like that. So mobile number you can give guys here, email ID you can give it, and here checkbox is there, preferred job locations, and profile image you can choose by clicking here. Okay, our system guys, and you can upload your profile image and your resume you can upload, and then you can submit. For example, as a job seeker guys, you are updating your resume in the Naukri website. So same like you are entering all the details and you are updating. Okay, after updating in the Naukri website, Naukri server storing all your profiles, your resumes. Later, HR people will see your profiles and they will call you. So for example, if I'm clicking this Rohit, so it's a Rohit profile guys. Name is what, date of birth is what, gender is what, like that. See previously when I entered guys, data guys, first 07 month, 06 date, and 2023 is the year. Like that, I entered. But in the database storing this data, and when we are getting back to front end, in this front end, whatever the format we want, we can display. So right now here March means in third month I uploaded guys this one for your senior batch. I took 3 months back. I uploaded this one. So presentation guys, here if you want slash operation, okay, you can take it. Icons operation if you want, you can take it. Instead of March, if you want 03, you can display guys, no problem. 03, or else only MAR 3 characters also you can take it. That's all in your hand. Okay. So when we are working with the date time module, we can get this all knowledge. So this date time module, these all things in our Django, I'll take care. Actually, myself, guys, most of the times only for modules related separate sessions taking for random module, JSON module, date time module, calendar module, like that. These all things required for our Django development also. So in our Django also, I will take care. Don't worry. Okay, is profile image here there. If you want to go back, you can click back to home. Like several applications we can design in our class only guys. Clear? So this is the overview guys about the full stack development. So here from next class onwards, we are going to be discussing about the Django framework. In this Django framework only, we will discuss about the REST API also. It is a very, very important one guys. It is very, very important. REST API related benefits I will show you here. See. Okay, wait, I will open one screen here for REST API. Hmm. So this is nothing but REST API related only, guys. Okay, one more beautiful image I opened already. Where is it? Okay, no problem. Consider this is the REST API related only. So this is the database, guys. Using Django, we are going to develop in this application. So this application using browser, we can send to this application using browser, we can send request, we can get response, guys. Our Django application taking the request and according to that request, communicating to the database, performing the action, getting response back, giving that response back to the browser, guys. So this is we can do, okay, as a normal user using web development, guys, using browser. So now here Java related development there, here .NET related development there, guys. Okay, Java develop applications, .NET related applications. So Java people, or else using this Java application, I want to communicate to this database and I want to be performing something action here. So this is not possible directly. How it is possible? Means by using a mediator, guys. So this JSON is a mediator, guys. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. Okay, later I'll take care about this JSON, guys. So see, guys, here Java code converting into JSON. Now JSON code converting into Django, guys. Now this Django taking that request and communicating to DB and getting response back. Now this response in the form of Python related there, guys. So that Python response again now converted into JSON. Now JSON response, guys, converted into Java. Then Java can use that response. Understanding? So in all application side, guys, API developer there for our Django REST API developer there. In Java side, we are calling web service developers technically, and .NET side web API developer they are calling nothing but all are API developers only. All are target same, guys. All API developers target is same. Their own language code or else, guys, JSON response related requests converting into their own language format and their own language related response converted into JSON format, guys. This is all API developers responsibility. As a API developer, this is our role, guys. Django to JSON, JSON to Django. This is our role. If you are learning Java related, this is your role. Java to JSON, JSON to Java. If you are learning .NET related, this is your role. .NET to JSON, JSON to .NET. Okay, na? So assumption, guys. You are designing the JSON related response, guys, using your application. Okay. So here API is nothing but some URLs, guys. Some URLs only. Assumption. Some URLs only. So you are designing some URLs. If any other people, guys, from their application, if they are using our URLs, so they will get the JSON response. So request sending in the form of JSON or not, response sending in the form of JSON or not, that is our responsibility here. Okay, we are expecting JSON request. If JSON request coming, we will give JSON response to them. If JSON request not getting, we are throwing error. You are not sending valid request, so I don't want to send you data like that. Okay, this is the REST API. It's a very important, guys, for real-time development. So coming days you will understanding about these all things. Clear? So I told guys here in our class only live code we will do. Material I will share topic wise, and cumulative material also I will share to you. Okay, and programs also sharing every day. End of the day's projects we will do it, guys. And our session time is guys. Time is what? 7:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. 1.5 hour session, guys. 7:30 to 9 a.m. And the duration, guys, duration 45 days. 45 days required, guys, minimum. Okay, na? So I have 8+ years of experience, and my name is okay. So Rao, guys, yes, Rao. So many batches I took previously, many batches I took as, and in every batch, some people got a job already. Okay. I'm telling guys, all people, the people who are learning, all people maybe not getting immediately. Some people not doing immediately practice, so they are doing later practice and they will get the job after some months, guys. So my sincere request, every day after completing topic, I'm sharing the material. You need to do reading. And when we are learning Django related, people are not using the Python. Python not learning. Okay, Python not revision, not doing revision, guys. So then people are forgetting about Python related concepts. So every week you need to do revision for Python. At the same time, every day you need to learn Django. So like that, if you are doing this, you will get more knowledge. Okay. Yes. So I will stop now here this topic. And if you are having any queries, let me know. I will clarify. So tomorrow also we will discuss, guys, about the Django. Tomorrow Django related features. Features. What are the features provided by Django? What is the history of Django? Okay, who designed this Django? Why designed? These all things we will discuss in the next session.